Shelves that float. Magic? Nope, just woodworking. Floating shelves are a fantastic way to add a touch of elegance and functionality to any room. They seem to defy gravity, but the secret lies in clever design and solid craftsmanship. Floating shelves. They look fancy, like magic. But in reality, they are a testament to the beauty of woodworking. These shelves can transform a mundane wall into a stunning focal point. But guess what? You can build one yourself. With a few basic tools and some patience, you can create a custom floating shelf that fits your space perfectly. It's a rewarding project that anyone can tackle. It's easy and fun, plus it's way cheaper than buying one. Imagine the satisfaction of looking at a shelf you built with your own hands. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment. Floating shelves are great for small spaces. They provide storage without taking up valuable floor space, making them ideal for apartments and cozy homes. You can maximize your storage while keeping your living area open and uncluttered. They add storage without taking up floor space. Whether you need a place to store books, display decorative items, or keep everyday essentials within reach, floating shelves offer a versatile solution. You can put them anywhere, above the couch, in the bathroom, even in the kitchen. Their versatility means you can use them in any room to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. These shelves are perfect for showing off your treasures, family photos, books you love, little plants. They provide a beautiful way to display the things that matter most to you, adding a personal touch to your home decor. They make your home look great. Floating shelves can elevate the look of any room, giving it a modern and stylish feel. They blend seamlessly with various decor styles, from minimalist to eclectic. Best part? Building it yourself feels good. There's something incredibly satisfying about completing a DIY project. It boosts your confidence and gives you a sense of pride in your abilities. You made something with your own hands. This isn't just about creating a piece of furniture. It's about the joy of making something tangible and useful. It's a reminder of your creativity and hard work. Now that's something to be proud of. Every time you look at your floating shelf, you'll remember the effort and care you put into it. It's a piece of your home that tells a story, your story. Ready to build? Today, we're embarking on a fun and rewarding journey to create a simple yet elegant shelf. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, this project is perfect for you. So, let's dive in and get started. First, let's gather our supplies. A trip to the hardware store can be quite an adventure. You'll find everything you need under one roof, from the smallest screws to the largest planks of wood. It's like a treasure hunt for DIY lovers. Don't worry, you won't need a truckload of tools. We're keeping it simple and efficient. Just a few essential items will do the trick. This way, you can focus on the joy of building without feeling overwhelmed by too many gadgets. We're keeping it simple and affordable. Here's your shopping list. A well-prepared list ensures you won't miss any crucial items. Plus, it helps you stay within budget. Let's break down what you'll need. A plank of wood. This is your shelf. Pine is a good choice. It's cheap and easy to work with. Pine is also versatile and can be stained or painted to match your decor. Make sure to choose a piece that's straight and free of knots for the best results. A long wooden board. This will be the hidden support for your shelf. This piece is crucial for stability, ensuring your shelf can hold weight without sagging. Opt for a sturdy, straight board to provide the best support. Screws. Make sure they're the right size for your wood. The right screws will ensure a secure fit, preventing your shelf from wobbling or coming loose over time. It's always a good idea to have a few extra on hand just in case. Wood glue, for extra strength. Wood glue adds an additional layer of security, bonding the wood pieces together. This is especially useful for creating a seamless, professional-looking finish. Sandpaper. To smooth out any rough edges. Sanding is a crucial step for a polished look. It removes splinters and rough spots, making your shelf safe to handle and aesthetically pleasing. Paint or stain. Choose your favorite color. This is where you can get creative. Whether you prefer a natural wood finish or a bold, vibrant color, the choice is yours. Just make sure to choose a paint or stain that's suitable for wood. A level, to make sure your shelf is straight. A level is essential for ensuring your shelf is perfectly horizontal. This not only looks better, but also prevents items from sliding off. You'll also need a few tools. These tools are the backbone of your project. Having the right tools makes the job easier and more enjoyable. Let's go through the essentials. Saw for cutting the wood to size. A good saw will make clean, precise cuts, ensuring your pieces fit together perfectly. Whether you use a handsaw or a power saw, make sure it's sharp and suitable for the type of wood you're using. Drill, to make holes for the screws. A drill is indispensable for creating pilot holes, which prevent the wood from splitting when you insert the screws. It's a tool that adds both precision and efficiency to your project. Screwdriver, to put in the screws. A screwdriver is essential for driving screws into place. Whether you opt for a manual or electric one, make sure it fits the screws you're using to avoid stripping them. Tape measure, for accurate measurements. Accurate measurements are the foundation of any successful project. A tape measure ensures your cuts are precise, helping you avoid costly mistakes. Pencil, to mark your cuts. A simple pencil is an invaluable tool for marking where to cut, drill, or attach pieces. Clear, accurate markings make the assembly process much smoother. Now the fun begins. But first, we measure. Remember, measure twice. Cut once. Decide how long you want your shelf. Mark that length on your plank of wood. Use your saw to carefully cut along the line. Now let's make the hidden support. This will be attached to the wall. Your shelf will rest on top of it. The support needs to be shorter than your shelf. This will keep it hidden. Measure and mark the length on your long wooden board. Cut it carefully. Time to build the backbone of our floating shelf. The hidden support. This hidden support is crucial because it gives the shelf its floating appearance, making it look like it's magically suspended in mid-air, without any visible brackets or supports. This is what makes floating shelves so popular and stylish in modern home decor. Take your long wooden board, the one you just cut. This board will serve as the main support structure for your floating shelf. It's important to ensure that the board is straight and free of any warps or defects, as this will affect the stability and appearance of your shelf. Place it on a flat surface. A flat surface ensures that you can work accurately, and that the board remains stable while you prepare it. This step is essential for achieving a professional-looking result. Now grab your plank of wood, the shelf. This plank will be the visible part of your floating shelf, so choose a piece of wood that looks good and matches your decor. The type of wood you choose can greatly affect the final look of your shelf. Rest the edge of the shelf on top of the board. This step helps you visualize how the shelf will sit once it's mounted. Make sure the edge is flush with the board to ensure a seamless look. See how the shelf hangs over the board a little bit? That's what we want. This overhang is what creates the floating effect, giving the shelf its unique and modern appearance. It creates the floating illusion. This illusion is what makes floating shelves so appealing, as they appear to defy gravity and add a touch of elegance to any room. Use your pencil to mark the position of the shelf on the board. These marks will guide you when it's time to attach the shelf, ensuring that everything is aligned perfectly. This shows you where they'll be attached. Accurate marking is crucial for a professional finish, as it ensures that the shelf is level and securely attached. Now, apply wood glue to the top of the board within those pencil marks. Wood glue provides a strong bond that will hold the shelf in place. Be generous with the glue, but avoid applying too much, as excess glue can seep out and create a mess. Carefully place the shelf back on top, aligning it with your pencil marks. Press down firmly. This step ensures that the shelf is securely attached to the board and that the glue bonds properly. The glue will hold them together. Allow the glue to dry completely before moving on to the next step. This will ensure that the shelf is securely attached and ready for use. Section 5. Sanding and smoothing, making it pretty. Our shelf is taking shape, but before we paint, let's smooth things out. Grab your sandpaper. Sand down any rough edges on the shelf and the support. Don't press too hard, just enough to make it smooth. Run your hand over the wood, feels nice and smooth. Perfect. Now wipe away the sawdust. Section 6. Painting or staining, adding your personal touch. Time to add some personality. Choose your favorite paint or stain. If you're painting, protect your work surface with newspaper. Apply a coat of paint to the shelf and the support. Let it dry completely. Want a bolder color? Add another coat. Let it dry completely between each coat. If you're staining, follow the instructions on the can. Apply the stain evenly. Wipe away any excess. Let it dry completely. Section 7. Mounting your shelf. Finding the right spot. The moment of truth. Time to mount our shelf. Choose the perfect spot on your wall. Hold up your shelf and mark the corners with a pencil. This helps you see where it will go. Now remember the hidden support? We need to attach that to the wall first. Hold the support against the wall, aligning it with the marks you made. Use your level to make sure it's straight. Use your drill to make pilot holes through the support and into the wall. Then screw the support securely to the wall. Section 8. Styling your floating shelf. Time to decorate. Our floating shelf is up. Now comes the fun part. Decorating. What treasures will you display? Books? Plants? Photos? Let your personality shine. Don't overcrowd the shelf. Leave some space between items. This looks more balanced and pleasing to the eye. Section 9. Caring for your shelf. Keeping it looking sharp. You built a beautiful shelf. Let's keep it looking its best. Dust it regularly with a soft cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals. They can damage the finish. If you spill something, wipe it up right away. Don't let it sit and stain the wood. With a little care, your floating shelf will bring you joy for years to come.